Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. We are witnessing a critical moment in the Indian democratic system where the judiciary is forced to intervene to protect constitutional rights. After Narendra Modi's BJP government came to power, attempts to destabilize opposition and non-BJP state governments have reached unprecedented levels. The Supreme Court recently voiced its deep displeasure over these actions, reminding us that no institution, including the Central Bureau of Investigation, should function as a puppet of the central government. In a recent case, the Supreme Court bench, consisting of Justices Suryakant and Ujjal Bhuyan, granted bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal after raising questions about the timing and need for his arrest in the alleged excise policy scandal. Justice Bhuyan, addressing the concerns of many citizens, emphasized that the CBI should not behave like a parrot in the cage of the central government. He went on to say that the arrest of the Kejriwal was unjustified and raised serious questions about the investigative process. This intervention from the judiciary reflects the larger concern that several constitutional autonomous bodies like the Election Commission have been misused for political gains. In Maharashtra, for instance, the Election Commission's decision to recognize Eknath Shinde's faction facilitated the collapse of Shiv Sena Congress NCP coalition. Such instances have drawn repeated criticism from the Supreme Court, which has expressed its dissatisfaction with the central government's use of investigative agencies to further political interests. Justice Bhuyan, with reference to his personal analogy, made it clear that the CBI must operate without suspicion or bias. He highlighted that arresting Kejriwal after he had already been granted bail under strict conditions in the money laundering case was not only unnecessary but also troubling. The judiciary reiterated that investigative agencies bear the responsibility to conduct impartial and fair investigations, a standard that has not been met in this instance. The court further questioned why Kejriwal, who was interrogated in March 2023 and allowed to remain free for 22 months, was suddenly arrested by the CBI following his release on bail in the Enforcement Directorate's case. The timing raised suspicion, and the justices clearly stated that such actions are a violation of human rights. They stress that pre-trial imprisonment, particularly when there is no urgent need, violates the right to freedom guaranteed under Article 21 of our Constitution. Justice Bhuyan was especially vocal in condemning the CBI's actions, asserting that there was malice behind Kejriwal's arrest and attempted to obstruct his release after being granted bail. The court warned the CBI that investigative processes should not be used as punishment and arrests should only be made when absolutely necessary. After spending 6 months in jail, Kejriwal was released due to the Supreme Court's intervention. This judgment serves as a powerful reminder that the independence of investigative agencies is vital to the functioning of our democracy. The CBI, along with other institutions, must ensure that they are not being used as tools for political persecution. As citizens, it is essential that we remain vigilant and demand accountability from those in power, ensuring that justice is not undermined for political convenience. That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.